Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today is all about this kind of product, which is from Telesin. This is a double clamp mount. I really wanted this kind of mount because I'm using the Insta360 X3 through shooting bunch of my videos whenever I'm in town or whenever I'm just vlogging. So I wanted this kind of bad boy because I was used to use this kind of bad boy here. It's quite not bad, but still it was giving me headaches on this side. It was always making noise, so I thought that this is the perfect thing. So we're going to be unboxing all of these kind of bad boys here, so as we can see how they fit well. And throughout here we are having the Insta360 microphone connector. This is a mic adapter which goes to the Insta360 X3. And another kind of stuff, we are having the cage from Puluz. Now this is a metal cage throughout Puluz, and you just have to connect your Insta360 X3 on it so as it can be really protective and really nice throughout your usage. So I think, yeah, let us just do this, all of them together, so as you can see what's happening. And last but not least, this is my Insta360 X3. I've been loving this camera since I got an X3 camera, and it's such an amazing thing because those kind of X3 kind of shots and those kind of X3 kind of videos, they're really nice. So yeah, so we're gonna be starting with our double clamp mount from Telesin. See here what's happening, nothing else. So you're getting this kind of paperwork over here, which it's really great to showcase you how it really works. Is our product, as you can spot it, really nice, really well made. And when you release it here, this is how it really works. So on this side it goes here, so this side it holds your tripod if you prefer. Let's say like you're having the mount from Insta360, like this one holds up here and really tightly, really nice, and as you can spot it, and this side holds on the bike. So we're gonna do a really good test, so as you can see physically. Jumping to our adapter, so this is our adapter, as you can spot it here, the Insta360 X3 mic adapter. I really wanted this because you know, sometimes you're shooting videos with the directly mic on the camera, it does not feel good, but when you have an adapter it gives it much better. And I'm using the microphone from DJI, so I'm expecting something incredible. So nothing else on here, it's just the mic adapter and some paperwork, some fewer paperwork on how you can clip, I believe how you can clip on the camera, and yeah, this kind of guy. So how do we do that? I believe you just have to squish it. Oh, nice. That was really quickly. I thought that I have just to use tons and tons of stuff going on. So on this side, as you can spot it on the picture, how it states on how you can keep your mic here, just like that, and you're having your microphone adapter on here, which is really great thing. So on this kind of cage, we're gonna be opening the box, and this is Puluz Cage. They give you like a rubber which you can cover your camera, and you're getting these Allen keys and holders throughout mounting it, and you're getting your cage. So this is a cage, it's not John Cage, it's a cage. Mortal Kombat. Check the cage on the camera is quite easy. You just have to remove this, and we make sure that you remove the adapter too, so as it cannot be connected. Keep it aside, and you toss in your bad boy. Just like that, yeah, like that. That's perfect. So when you're done, you just have to, you know, lock it on the cage like this way. You make sure that you have locked the cage perfectly throughout your 360 camera. So right now we have locked it, it's on lock. Now you can see the mic where it goes, still you're having a portion whereby your microphone adapter can still go. So it's such an amazing thing, to be honest. I really like it, the way they kept it here, so as it can be very steady. And another kind of stuff, we are having the cover. Now let me show you guys what I talk about the cover. This is a silicone kind of cover. Whenever you're not using it, it goes somewhere here on top, I believe. you just have to keep it here. This is so ideal because sometimes you don't want your lens to get any problems and you just want your lens to be very steady, and this is how you keep it steadily on your Cage or on your Insta360 X3. Now you might be having a newer version, it's just all the same, nothing's different. So right now you can spot it, we are having this kind of stuff. If you want to hook it on your helmet, if you have a helmet, you can hook it up here. If you have a tripod like mine, you can spot it, you can just hover it around like this way. A magic stick, it's called a magic stick. Really nice. And you just hover it around and you lock it and you adjust your magical stick position at this side because you just want your screen to see on that side, and you're done. So your whole combination on your rig of recording, you're finally having something much better. You're gonna keep it here at the handlebar, as you can spot it, nice and easy and clean, and you have just to lock it just somewhere there, and I'm just gonna keep it somewhere here. I think this side it's much better. As you can spot it, our setup right now is done throughout our handlebar and you're ready to go. And you're having your camera here, you're having your mic adapter, so you're ready just to shoot your videos in a very steady way and without no hesitation losing your audio and all of that. So this is a really nice setup throughout your biking and throughout your motorcycle, throughout a bunch of stuff you just want to use this kind of combination. I'll leave a link down below on the description where I got them on AliExpress, and it's really nice for your content creation. So guys, this is my microphone testing. As you can hear how much the microphone is picking up from DJI since I connected it directly throughout the Insta360 X3. And to be honest, I really like it because you can just get creative on your own and shoot your videos and get more throughout it, and it's really nice. So I don't want to take much of your time, just know that it does work 100%. If you have an adapter and connect it, you're good to go, but make sure that you buy a cage. Cage is really important. If you don't get a cage, I don't know how you can mount this kind of bracket which is left, which just keep it and clip it, and you just have to do that, because if you don't have a cage, it will be floating, it won't look good. So consider buying that, or else just buy an Insta360 X5, which if you buy with the microphone, you don't need to do that because it connects it wirelessly. So yeah, I'm sweating because I was riding bike. Guys, that's it. This is our setup throughout the Insta360 X3. It depends with you what Insta360 you have, but this is just what it works for all the 360 cameras, not only for 360 cameras, even your actually normal camera you have. This kind of Telesin and Puluz Cage throughout here gives it a really nice test throughout this kind of flow of creativity of your content creation, either it's a video shooting, a picture shooting, or it depends with you what you really need throughout your setup. It's really nice, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. I'll leave a link throughout where I got them because I purchased them on AliExpress and they were really nice and they came really fast, and I was like, I really need this kind of setup because so many times I'm shooting in town, there's so much crowding of noisy, but having a microphone throughout there gives it a nice support throughout shooting your content creation. So that's it about the video today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking, guys, and up to the next one, I'll be catching you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, that shot we shot on the road throughout me speaking, and it's really nice throughout my bike, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.